Muzen have today announced the OTR Metal Portable FM radio. It's big on features, big on style, big on sound, but a small package. Kindly sent to me for review. This is a beautifully presented product. You've got this cool little bag. Inside there's another bag. You take that out and there's this really cool looking retro suitcase. So this would make a great gift for someone because it's just really well presented. The retro design's really been thought through. It's not just the speaker, it's everything that comes with it. So let's open up the case and show you what you get. At the top here you get a retro instruction manual, and just behind that are some very unretro stickers should you wish to decorate the case and really make it your own. And then the main section has the speaker. It makes a really good impression when you take it out. It's got a very nice weight to it. The colour is fantastic. I'm loving the colour. And then just under that are the accessories. So you've got a letter in an envelope that's just underneath, directly underneath. You've also got a couple of cables. You've got a USB charging cable, a USB antenna, and an aux cable to plug in third-party items that maybe don't connect via Bluetooth. So top marks for the initial presentation. Around the back is where you can plug in the FM antenna. That plugs into the same USB port that you use for charging, but I found this isn't always required. If you get a decent signal, you don't necessarily need that antenna plugged in. Around the front is where it all happens in terms of controls. You've got the main FM tuning dial, you've got a volume dial, and you've got a mode selector. It turns off, you've got Bluetooth, FM radio and aux in, so you've got a really good range. This is a very tiny little unit. You can see it's less than 8.5 centimeters by about 6 centimeters without the antenna, and it's very favourable in terms of size and sound quality to the Edifier speaker I've previously reviewed. Now I've got to tell you, I really love the design of this. It's really cool, the vintage green, the style of it, it's got a good weight to it, it's made of metal. This is a really great little speaker and it sounds fantastic as well. It can easily fill a room. It's got a good bass to it and the vocals are really good, and it can go really loud. And I mean, look, this is just in my hand. I'm gonna hold it a little bit away from me. But so that's not quite full volume yet. There we go. So at full volume, I'm having to shout. Now you may not hear it quite as loud because I've got a little lapel mic on, but it's really loud. What a tiny little speaker with this power in it. Let's turn that down a bit. Oh my goodness. Yeah, tiny little speaker, lots of power to it. It's really, really good volume. So if you wanted something just to pop on the side that looks a little bit different, but it still acts as a brilliant speaker, this is a great option. I've tried a few different small speakers and they tend to be built for traveling. And that's fine if you want to just put something in the bag, but if you want just a small speaker that takes up a small bit of space in your room, travel speakers look like travel speakers, whereas this looks really cool, proper vintage, proper retro. The radio on it works surprisingly well. You can tune in, it's FM, so you've got that full spectrum there, and you've also got the aux in if you want to plug something in instead of using Bluetooth. So if you're interested in this product, I will put an affiliate link in the description below, and if you liked the look of that small Edifier speaker I featured in the video earlier, click here to learn more.